Hello plant enthusiasts, today we're diving into the enchanting world of the angel trumpet tree, a majestic and captivating plant that brings a touch of tropical elegance to your garden. But before we embark on this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of plants. The angel's trumpet tree is renowned for its large, pendulous flowers that emit a sweet and intoxicating fragrance, especially in the evening. Native to South America, particularly in the regions like the Andes, these stunning flowers can be white, yellow, pink, or orange, and they often bloom in abundance. An interesting fact about the angel's trumpet is its use in traditional spiritual practices among some indigenous cultures, where the plant is believed to have mystical and hallucinogenic properties. However, it's crucial to note that the plant contains potent alkaloids and can be toxic, causing hallucinations, delirium, and often severe effects if ingested. This majestic tree thrives in well-drained soil with full sunlight. It is relatively moderate in maintenance and requiring regular watering and occasional fertilization during the growing season. Maintaining consistent temperature and protecting it from harsh winds are crucial for its well-being. The angel trumpet tree adapts well to tropical and subtropical climates, bringing in a touch of exotic beauty to your outdoor oasis. Medicinally, while traditional uses exist, the plant's toxicity limits its therapeutic applications. The alkaloids present, such as atropine, have been historically used in certain pharmaceutical preparations but are carefully administered due to its potent nature. The angel's trumpet is not generally consumed for its nutrient values, and its ornamental beauty is primarily reason for cultivation. Caution is strongly advised, and any potential medicinal use should be approached with great care and under the guidance of healthcare professionals due to its toxicity. Thank you for joining us on this botanical journey. Don't forget to explore our other videos and subscribe to more delightful content. Until next time, may your garden thrive and may your encounters with the angel trumpet tree bring a touch of tropical elegance and natural beauty to your botanical adventures. Farewell and happy gardening.